Hi guys, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be just doing a little follow-up on the ESEE-6 that you saw in the video a while back. We'll just take a quick look at it. I have been using it where I can, and so we'll just take a little look at it and do some little tasks with it and see how we get on. Thanks always for staying subscribed to the channel and keep watching the content. I'm going to try regular and post on a Saturday or a Sunday. I'll work out which day's best and then let you all know. But if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe and click the like. Thanks guys. So let's take a look at the ESEE-6. So the ESEE-6, as you can see, it's a great all-rounder. I really like this. I love the jimping on it, I love the choil so you can choke up on it, and then it's got enough grip so that you can batten easily. The weight of it at the back, it's effortless. So let's do some little tasks with it and just see how we get on. There you have it. It was a quick, crude test of the ESEE-6. Nothing major, no damage, no bend, no nicks in the blade, no damage to the tip. As you can see, I snapped my batten, so we just used a bit of 4x2. Not exactly what you'd normally use, but did the job. That was actually a fresh bit of conifer that was cut as well, so went through that no problem at all. So nothing fancy on the testing of it. I don't like battening. It's not something I would normally do, but I just thought it gives you a good idea of the ESEE-6. I really like it. It is probably my favourite survival knife. I like the ESEE-5 too, but I just like the overall length and size of this. So yeah, just a quick test on that for you guys. If you like what you see, click the subscribe and hit the like. So thanks for watching everyone. Stay safe out there. Del out.